Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to bid on real estate auctions. So this is going to depend on the auction that you're going on. So there can be live auctions or just walk around auctions or even just online auctions or passive auctions. So this will depend on the type you're going on. But the auction process is pretty simple. Of course, for all buyers, they will see the product or the actual real estate that you're going to purchase. So it's going to be shown before the day or a few hours before it starts. Then the potential buyers are done viewing and all the items are interested in placing their bids. They must register with the auctioneer basically. So the registration requires the buyer's details like phone numbers and everything, and even identification, passports, and many much more, so that they will verify that this bidder is serious when it comes to buying. So the sound of a bell traditionally marks the beginning of an auction. So this is like traditional auctions, but this will vary from time to time, of course. So from there, they will give a initial price that is considerable for a reasonable opening price, of course. So let's just say we are trying to bid on a house that's worth $100 per se, and that's already the reasonable price. And then basically, the seller may set a minimum bid price that they will accept before the bidding starts. So they can also do that. So let's say they will start the auction and then they will wait for a person to give a price will which is the minimum price already. So once that starts, the bidders lift up their bidder cards to announce their bid price. So if I'm number 10 as my bidder card, I will say 200, and then 200 is going to be the marked price for the bid that I wanted. And then people are going to try to outbid me if they want to have the actual premises or the actual real estate that we are viewing. So the process ends when there are no more bids, and they will also make the highest bid get the item, of course, and that's how it works. And the highest bidder will take ownership of the item immediately after paying their bid price. So there you go, guys. That is how you bid on a real estate auction right here, and that's just the auction process right there. So there are going to be different websites or different places where you can bid, of course, and it's not where you can find it randomly online. So you have to do your own research on that.